pong salamat.
Daghang kayong salamat sa Red Cross.
We also fear that the health status of most of the population in the evacuation centers and also those within the city and the neighboring municipalities will also be affected by the calamity. So the possibility of having polio is very likely if things will not be addressed properly.
Magugulan talaga kami kung saan kami titira. Parang floating pa yung aming isipan. Kung saan kami pa, kung ano talaga yung gagawin namin para sa kinabukasan.